Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. If you have been wondering how can you find the Revolut card pin, you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to find it, so follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. You need to go ahead and open your Play Store. Let's go ahead and search for Revolut, because from here we need to go ahead and find it and make sure we have the update and make sure that everything works properly by doing the update, of course. So after updating your app, let's go ahead and open the Revolut app. Now wait for it to fully load up, and once it does, as you can see, I'm gonna wait for it to load up, and as you can see here guys, I am on the Revolut app. From here, let's go ahead and tap on the credits or the cards section of the app. So once you go to the cards section, it won't let me record for security reasons. Once you get there, just find the app or the card that you want to copy the pin of, and from there tap on view pin to reveal the pin of that card. Just keep in mind that you cannot have pin codes on virtual cards. And that is it for this video guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.